You know that moment you're staring at your screen pretending to work, but you're actually spiraling deep into thoughts? Yeah, I've had a few of those. And then I was like, you know what? I should note them down so I can share a few with you. Hello, fellow Arbab. Welcome to Boss Your Money. Comparing my savings to others is like comparing apples and apples. Same, but can't compare. I sometimes wonder how much my friend's salary is, or how much money they must be having. Is he making more than me? Is she investing more than me? But does it really matter? Oh, he bought a brand new G Wagon and he just moved into a new house in City Walk. Must be making so much more than I thought. But then again, on the flip side, she's still on the iPhone 15. Is she broke? I need to be self aware and I need to tell myself I have a happy life. I have tasty and healthy food, a comfortable place to sleep, hot shower, and save enough money every month to retire without problems in my old age. Even if my friends have 10 times my savings, so what? Congratulations to them. In honesty, it doesn't affect me one bit how much they have. Why is it that we always have the need to compare ourselves to others? Why is it that we feel down the drains when we compare ourselves to others? Even if you do find yourself comparing yourself to someone else who you feel is more successful than yourself, then maybe it's time to let go of that jealousy factor and treat it as an inspiration instead. I realize I'm working hard to enjoy a life I'm too tired to enjoy. I started thinking about all the things I wanted to do: go to the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, go karting, do a Musandam road trip. When I start actually putting a plan together to do those things, I feel exhausted from the work week and decide to just stay home and binge Netflix. Not only is it not healthy, but also, what is the actual point of slogging at work if you don't have the energy to spend time and money on things that bring you actual joy? I feel it's important to take time off work, whether it's splitting your annual leave between India trips and me time, reduce working hours, or include some work from home time, and even taking some unpaid leave to blow off steam. You need a recharge, and sometimes you need to spend to buy the charger that did not come with a box. I don't have to attend every argument I'm invited to. Have you ever fought with your partner and mid fight have no idea what you're even fighting about? I was thinking about this the other day. So much anger on insignificant things, and so much time and energy spent trying to prove your point when in the end it was either too small to fight about, a simple misunderstanding, or an outcome that was never going to change anyway. So, what was the point of all those hurtful words that you didn't mean to say? Maybe a mixture of compromise and communication should be given more importance than fighting fire with fire. Waiting to feel ready is just fear waiting in disguise. I've told you this story before, but I had the little bit of money to start investing many years before I actually started. Forget money for a second. I wanted to start this YouTube channel about 10 years before I actually did. I'm not ready to pick up drumming again. I delayed my investing because I was scared markets would drop. I delayed starting my YouTube channel because I was scared of comments about the way my teeth looks. Guess what? After almost 400 videos, not one single comment, and here I am pointing it out to you. I am ready. I'm just afraid. I should sing in public. I should drum again. What if I'm rusty? Nobody cares. The expat life gave me freedom, but I've been too scared to use it. We came to UAE for better work opportunities. Yes, but also remember the butterflies in your tummy before you landed here for the first time? Leaving behind our little gullies and tea caddies to explore this brand new far off land. The freedom to explore and experience such incomprehensible diversity in cultures, languages, and cuisines. Now, after a while, am I even seeing any of that beautiful world out there? I know I'm not. I've not even visited Museum of the Future yet. I have my circle of friends. The restaurants and malls I visit when I need to, and the rest of the time is spent between home, work, and traffic. I feel like I should get out of my comfort zone and see all that is out there. Here's the thing, I feel like bossing your money is more than budget, save, and invest. It's also about how you use your money and your time. Health is wealth, be it physical health or mental health. And I feel like these thoughts this month helped me boss my money a little bit better compared to last month. I hope this video helps you boss your money as well. Bye bye.